Alright, what's up, guys? I just got a box. I don't know who it's from. I'm just gonna take a look. If this is what I think it is, I'd be really hyped. It's really heavy. Oh man! This video goes out to my friend Ben Thurston today. He's actually in the hospital. I'm just kidding.
So, we just get his box open and we will be on our way. I'm really excited. I don't know what this is. I don't know anything really. I need to find this. I really do. I'm looking for a razor blade. I thought I had a razor blade. I just saw one. I just saw a razor blade. I'm trying to use the damn tic-tac tool. The tic-tac tool isn't working. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Wow. I almost cut my dang hair off. Where is it? Come on, it's killing me. It's killing me, Smalls.
Come on, you're killing me. You're killing me, Smalls.
Smalls. Smalls. Smalls. Smalls. Smalls.
Oh.
I wanted a data. Not my fault. Okay.
Alright guys, sorry my phone died. I'm really excited, I know. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god. Wait, wow. Oh, what is all this stuff? Oh, what is all this stuff? What is all this stuff? Oh my god. Is it like, I don't know, I need to get this open.
Wow! Wow! Oh my god! I don't even know if I ordered that. Wow. Wow. Okay, I have this thing. What even? Oh my god, I know what that is. Here. Here we see, I got a piece of paper. Oh my god. What's in it? What?
Get back on that. It says to be very careful handling this map. So I'm very scared. I don't want to break anything.
Well, guys, I thought I didn't. Wait a second. Wait, what? I'm actually freaking out. Didn't I? That is so much bigger. Oh!
That is so much bigger. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yo. Oh, shh. Oh my god, guys. So, let me show you. Yeah, let me show you what I got real quick.
I got this Level Ledges quarter pipe with the barrier. This is huge. Oh my god. Wow. That's amazing. And I got this parking curb. Thank you guys for watching.